How to hack someone's phone. We learn in nine methods for cracking the phone of all sort of region. Parent may spy on their keywords to keep them safe, or might want to play detectives to ensure your tips are okay. And some fun hacking motives are steady. Other can be seen legit or totally understandable by someone. So let's dive into the first key takeaway. Regardless of the reason for needing to hack someone's phone remotely, there are several methods available: hacking software, spy through phone camera, phishing, Bluetooth hacking, SIM card swapping, social engineering, malverting, free texting, man in the middle attack. Method 1: using phone hacking software. Hacking software like MySpy is a common method to remotely access someone's iPhone or Android phone. This software was initially launched in 2011 as a tool for parents. It quickly became one of the best parental control apps for ensuring children could safely use the technology. Many other people need the software these days. It easy to update and some software comes loaded with the helpful features. Follow these steps to hack spy to hack into phones. First, install MSPy on the device that you want to hack. Second, select the type of cell phone device you want to monitor, Android or iOS. Then download app on your mobile. Follow on the screen instruction. Configure MSPy. Note: remember that you need physical access to the person's phone to set up the MSPy. You can visit a dashboard and start tracking calls, text message, and photos that on our text. It can even store password for every website they access. And another is hack a cell phone using phone camera. There is steps: hack phone using phone camera. Download a spyware app like Flexi Spy on the person's phone you want to hack. You can then download and install software on the phone. When you install the software into the other phone's phone can be gain complete control over the user camera. After that, you can use Android phone or iPhone camera to take photos and record conversation videos. Here are the steps. Hack phone using phone camera. Download a spyware app like Flexi Spy on the personal phone. You can hack the phone that you want to hack. Step 2: you can then download and install the software into the phone. When you install the software in the other person's phone, you can gain complete control over their camera. After that, you can use iPhone and Android phone camera to take photo record conversation videos. And another method is phishing attack. Phishing attack is cyber attack that sends suspicious link to target person. When the person clicks the link, it either download malicious attachment or send personal information to a hacker. Many people fall for these attacks because link don't initially appear suspicious. You can use a phishing attack to hack someone's phone remotely by sending an iMessage or text message with convincing claim. The message must be something target likely to believe, prompting them to reveal private information like password. Once you have this information, you can use it as needed. Although not everyone will fall for this method, it is potentially a way to hack Android or iPhone devices. Method 4: Bluetooth hacking. Bluetooth technology has made any aspect of our life more convenient, allowing us to connect phones to car, TVs, TVs, and other devices for music streaming and phone calls. However, Bluetooth hacking is also a common method for remotely access someone's phone. One advantage of Bluetooth hacking is that you don't need any physical access to the phone. Here's how you can use Bluetooth hack someone's phone. Ensure target device is Bluetooth enabled. If Bluetooth is not enabled, turn it on yourself or pursue the owner to do so. Then connect to the phone by Bluetooth. Access it information and download data while staying with the range of phone, typically within 30 minutes. 30 feet. If you are worried about someone hacking into your phone, never connect to a non-Bluetooth device. While it could be an accident, it could also an attack. Method 5. Hack someone's phone using SIM card swapping. All Android phone and iPhone have used a SIM subscriber identification memory card. One method a hacker used to access information on someone's phone by using swapping the SIM card. They manipulate mobile carrier like Verizon, T-Mobile and other into providing a new SIM card, which deactivate the old one. With a new SIM card, hacker can easily take control of the person's phone, can access their phone calls, text message, and more. However, this method is commonly used by parents checking on their children. Method 6. Social engineering. In social engineering is versatile tactic that extends beyond the hacking someone's phone. It involves description, manipulation, or influence human interaction and achieve the desired outcome. The tactic is commonly employed in various aspects of life for positive purpose. However, increase the number of hackers and are using social engineering to access their people devices. The social engineering can be viable option for parents wanting to check their children or our partners. Here are some methods often the two social engineering hacks. First, phishing attack. Trick user into the revealing personal information such as banking detail, malware or newer cyber attack. Embed malware into digital ads. When user click or legitimate ad, they get infected with malware. Phishing scheme, a type of phishing that attack target user through the text message. In-person social engineering. If you know the person you are trying to hack, you can interact with them directly, convincing them to share their password and thereby gaining access to their phone. Method 7. Malverting. Malverting is tactic that combine advertisement with malware, since malware is dangerous. One willing to install in their devices. These who use malverting aims to trick people into clicking on the advertisement. When someone clicks on the free offer ad or another reactive ad, it can trigger a download malware onto their phone and another devices. Once the malicious program is installed, the hacker can spy on everything the user is doing. They can view text message, phone calls, and photos stored on being taken with the phone. The access allows the hacker to obtain sensitive information like password and other personal details. Method 8. Pretexting. Pretexting is a subset of social engineering or significant enough to deserve separate mention. This method involves creating fabricated scenarios to communicate with someone to obtain their personal information. Here are the few ways of pretexting. Pretexting they won the lottery, claiming that they need access to a download transfer the winnings. Requesting verification code. Starting they lost their phone and need to code set the target device. Method 9. Man in the middle attack. Wi-Fi is essential for modern body. It can also be exploited to carry man in the middle attack Wi-Fi to hack someone's phones. If you choose the use this method here now, you can perform that. Step 1. Set up fake Wi-Fi access point. Next one. Access point is nearer to the device you want to hack or showing legitimate. But for them to connect to the network, they will register to your app or website as a hacker. You will be able to gain information shared about this network and use this to usage. Install driver or spy software to have more control over their system. Thanks for watching. See you. lecture.